Today we're going to talk about balloon rockets and stoichiometry. The objective for today is to create a reaction using baking soda and vinegar. After that, you're going to collect the product, which will be in a gas form, in a balloon. Then you're going to find the volume in liters using water displacement and compare the actual amount you got to the theoretical amount or theoretical yield. Now, our actual procedure. You're going to take a balloon and fill it with the desired amount of baking soda, and then after that you're going to tip it into a flask of vinegar and tie the balloon off. A gas, which will be CO2, is going to be generated and it's going to fill the balloon up, which you will later use to find the volume in liters. Important things you need to know are the mass of baking soda, the volume of the vinegar, then you have to change the volume into mass or grams and find the mass of the vinegar. And then you have to find the volume of the CO2 produced. And you also have to have the experimental temperature, which is just the lab temperature or wherever you perform the experiment. You also need the air pressure for the day in your area, the moles of CO2, and the distance your rocket actually flies, which is just the end. Next, we're going to talk about theoretical yield. What is it to start? Theoretical yield is the amount of products that could be produced if all the reactants in an experiment are used up. Now, to get this, you do factor label method and you make a tree. We started with 18.3 grams of baking soda, and then next you do 1 mole over the molar mass of baking soda, which is 84.01. Lastly, you do the molar ratio of baking soda to vinegar, which is 1:1. And then we did that and we got 0.22 moles of carbon dioxide. This reaction and many others are green because nothing harmful is made out of it. Next, we're going to talk about atom economy. The atom economy is just the mass of all the desired products over the mass of all the reactants times 100, and you get a percentage. We got 14.2% for our atom economy. Lastly, we're going to talk about percent yield. Percent yield is almost like atom economy, it's a percentage. The actual yield over the theoretical yield times 100. And for that, we got 44.0068 grams over 0.7 grams. And we got 62% as our percent yield. Now, just a disclaimer, I do not own any of this music, and really, that's about it. Thanks for watching.